Hey guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this hand massager for ribbing purposes. It gives you bump massage. It has an airbag wrapping, so it wraps all around your hand. It has three different modes. It has a high frequency vibration and up to three levels of strength with a constant temperature of hot compresses, which I think that it's nice. Okay, this is the main unit. As you can see, it comes in a bag. Okay, we have in here the instruction manual with all the important information about the product description and how to use it and everything. Okay, which I think that it's important to have at hand. A USB A to Type C charging cable. Okay, and this is a hand massage. Okay, finally we got in here the proper main unit. Okay, as you can see, it's really slim. It doesn't take that much space. In here we got the USB Type C port, and we can take this off. You can place the hand inside, and I'm gonna turn it on. Right now it's on. It will start vibrating. You can feel it all the way around. This button is for the heat function. You can turn it on or off. I'm gonna leave it on. Okay, with this button we can adjust the mode. It has three different modes. Okay, now on the second mode we can see it right here, and with a third pulse the other button. Okay, this one is the intensity. We can turn it up. You can feel the compression and the vibration, which we can turn on or off depending on what we need. Okay, and then we can adjust to many different settings. If we want it, we want a little bit more of a heat, we can adjust it. If we want a different mode, you can adjust it, which I think that it's really nice. It feels really great, the compression, and I think that it's nice because you can just have it besides your workplace, just like this, while it gives you a massage. You can be resting, watching any movie, even at your house, which I think that it's nice. Okay, you can feel it in different places of your hand being massaged, which I think that it's nice. Subset, it has a really interesting and nice design, and I think that it's perfect because it doesn't take that much space, and I think that it's great. On the interior, it has a soft mesh, so you can place your hand and it feels comfortable, and it even has some anti-slip dots, so in any case it won't slip or anything. I'm gonna turn off the head function. Okay, now it's off, and turn the force up to medium. And I think that it's great. You can have many different modes. I've already activated once again the vibration. And I think that it's nice that way you can, well, be watching a movie and take a breath in and be relaxed and overall because it's really nice, really easy to use. As you can see, it's almost just ready to use. If you need it, it comes with a charging cable, and it's really nice. I would really recommend it to you guys.